There are over 8,000 apps in the Shopify App Store. 8,000. And most clothing brand owners I talk to, they've installed at least a dozen of them, paying anywhere from $30 to $300 a month for apps they either don't use, don't need, or they're quietly killing their store speed and conversion rate. I'm Christian Pignano from Threadbird Branding. We've helped hundreds of clothing brands build and scale their Shopify stores. And after years of auditing stores, testing apps, and watching what actually moves the needle, I made a rank list of only premium Shopify apps worth paying for. Not a list of every app in existing, not a sponsored roundup, the ones that actually make your store more money than what they actually cost. So let's go with the first ones that I have, which I think I call the foundation apps, right? These are the apps that every clothing brand on Shopify should have running, full stop. If you don't have these, you're leaving money on the table every single day. So app one, of course, is going to be Klaviyo. If you could only keep one app, it would be this one. Klaviyo is not just an email tool, it's like actually a revenue engine. And it's one of those apps where it doesn't even open in the back end of Shopify. They have to open their own full stop software in order for you to run it. The average e-commerce stores drives 20 to 30% of its revenue from email. And most clothing brands we audit, they're around 5% or worse, nothing. They don't have anything set up. And I will say Klaviyo's power is truly in the automation. Abandoned cart flows, welcome series, post-purchase follow-ups, win-back campaigns, they're all just running 24/7 in the background without you lifting a finger. Well, you do have to lift a finger at the very beginning and set them up, but after that, you're good to go. Look, a basic abandoned cart sequence with just 3 emails, that alone can recover 10 to 15% of lost carts. If you're doing 10,000 a month, that's potentially $1,000 to $1,500 back in your pocket just from one automation. That's not cost. Pricing with Klaviyo starts free and obviously scales as your list and your amount of followers grow, but that's worth every penny past that free tier. And that's why Klaviyo, we're gonna put it on S tier. I'll tell you what, this ranking that we have in here, we're going to keep it S tier, A tier, and then B tier, because all of these apps that I'm talking about here are premium, are great. So it's almost like a S tier is no matter what you have to install. A would be great to have. B, it's good to have, right? But I just want to rank them for you as well. So Klaviyo, definitely S tier, has the single highest ROI app in e-commerce, non-negotiable for every clothing brand. Install this before anything else. App number 2 is going to be Loox, visual reviews and UGC. People don't trust brands. They trust people. You probably, you don't trust big branding, but you trust Christian and Aaron, right? Loox collects photo and video reviews from your actual customers and actually displays them in multiple different ways on your product pages, home pages, collection pages, everywhere. For clothing brands, this is massive. Seeing a real person wearing your hoodie on their actual body does more than any product photo you will ever shoot. It answers the sizing question, it answers the fit question, it answers the color question before the customer even gets to ask those questions, which is amazing. Stores that are using Loox see a conversion rate lift between 10 to 20% on product pages at $12.99 a month. There's generally no reason not to have something like Loox installed in the backend. Loox has to be S tier. Again, the reason being, social proof is the #1 conversion lever for clothing brands. So let's say you don't use Loox, maybe you use something else, but having a review, social proof with the ability to do user-generated content, absolutely. And I think Loox, I know a lot of you are going to be saying, hey, Christian, what about Judge Me? You talk about Judge Me all the time. Well, I think Loox has just a little edge over Judge Me in terms of the look and feel on your theme. So when we're talking about premium, because we're talking about premium here, I do think Loox takes that edge. By the way, if you're watching this and you're thinking, okay, but which of these actually do I need for my store right now? Because it's going to be a little bit different, right? From store owner to store owner. That's exactly what you need to schedule a free 45-minute strategy call. There's a link in the description below. Just find the time that works for you. They do fill up pretty quick. So, okay, let's move on to the next category, which I call the scaling apps. Now we get into the real stuff. I think these are the apps that separate stores from Those are ones that are stuck at 5 to 10K a month to the ones that are breaking through 30, 50, 100K. They're a bigger investment, but the ROI is just not even close. App number 3 is LiveRecover. Most abandoned cart tools send an automatic text that feels robotic and just gets ignored. LiveRecover does something completely different. They actually use real live human people texting your abandoned customers on your behalf 24/7. I know it's crazy, right? In a world of AI and agents and all this, they actually are using real people. Here's why that matters for clothing brands. A customer abandons because they either have a question, is this true to size? Does this run small? What does the fabric actually feel like? And typically a bot cannot answer that really well. It cannot answer that in a way that feels natural and organic. A real person can. And when they do, that's when the sale is closed. So this provides a real text message conversation from a real person. The person can answer the sizing questions. They can drop personalized one-time discounts. They can close the sale for you. It's almost like it's like a salesperson working on your behalf. That interaction, if it was an AI agent, it could technically lose your order, right? If it doesn't know exactly the tonality of what they're trying to say via text, which is very hard. It's very hard to get. I just want to say LiveRecover is free to install. So you can get their startup plan, which they do get 15% of the revenue that's generated by them. And then after that, obviously, as you grow, it has different tiers. So you're only really paying when they actually make you money. That's about as low risk as it gets for any of the apps on this list. And in terms of the ranking, LiveRecover, it's different. I will tell you that. And I do think it deserves an A rating. That human-powered angle is very unique, especially as we're going into AI agents ruling everything. It converts well for clothing. And I think if this starts to generate a lot of money for you, I think for you and your unique situation, you can probably bump this into the S tier as well. All right, next up, we're talking about Gorgias. Every minute your team spends copying and pasting the same, where is my order? It's a minute that you're not spending on growing your company. And Gorgias centralizes all of your customer messages, email, Instagram DMs, Facebook, live chat on your website. It's all in one dashboard in the back end. They also have AI agents that can handle up to 60% of those repetitive questions automatically for you. Clothing brands love this for sizing questions, shipping status, where is my order? Have you gotten that email before? I think you have. Return request. When your support is fast and organized, your refund and chargeback rates actually drop and your repeat customer rates go up. Pricing for Gorgias starts at $10 a month. $10 a month. And then it kind of keeps going up, $60, $360, $900 a month, depending on the amount of tickets, right? Yeah, the amount of tickets that you have in total. For most scaling brands, it truly pays for itself by reducing the customer churn alone. This to me is essential that you have, I guess it's essential once you have real order volume, right? Under 100 orders a month, I would say maybe hold off. Above that, if you don't have Gorgias or something similar, you need to, because it does pay for itself. So I think Gorgias, we're gonna give it an A tier in here. All right, number 5 is Rebuy. This is one that separates stores from the ones that are growing to the ones that are actually scaling. Rebuy is an AI-powered personalization engine, and it touches every single step of your customer's shopping journey. Think about what happens when someone visits your stores right now. They land on a product page, they add to cart, they check out, and that's it. There's no recommendations, no pair this with that, no reason to spend more. And Rebuy truly changes that. Here's what it actually does. Rebuy's smart cart shows personalized product recommendations right inside your cart drawer. It's not random product. It's actually AI matched product based on what is already in the cart. Customer adds a black hoodie, then Rebuy surfaces the matching joggers. Customers add a graphic tee. It recommends the hat with the same, it's maybe within the same collection, but actually doesn't just stop there within the cart. It can actually run upsells in the checkout, post-purchase upsells immediately after the credit card is charged. While the customer is still in buy mode, you can show them another option for another offer, essentially, right there towards the end. Some of the verticals report 10 to 30% increases in average order value and a starting price of drum roll, please. Free. You can get started for free, guys. Free. So you can use Rebuy Monetize. They don't give you all the bells and whistles, right? So if you do want to start with the plan that will move that edge and give you that edge, then that $25 plan is where you'll get all the bells and whistles that Rebuy can offer. All right, if you're doing $20,000 a month or more, Rebuy will almost certainly make more than it costs within the first 30 days. Just the post-purchase upsells alone, I think, are absolutely worth it. So to me, I think Rebuy is going to be S tier. I think, especially for clothing brands, I think clothing brands absolutely need something that will move merchandise around different places of their store. All right, next up is Loop returns. Did you know that the average return rate for online clothing stores is 30 to 50%? That's potentially half of your sales walking back out the door. Now, Loop returns, it kind of flips the script a little bit. Instead of just processing refunds, it pushes exchanges. So a customer wants to return a medium, sure, Loop will offer them a large with a little bonus credit, right, to kind of sweeten the deal. You keep the revenue in your ecosystem instead of actually issuing a refund. Brands that are using Loop, they see a 40-50% of returns convert to exchanges instead of refunds, which is absolutely huge. If you're doing any real volume, then this app's absolutely a no-brainer. I would say yes, is maybe a little bit of a premium investment. They do have a free account. It doesn't give you all the bells and whistles, but their essential account, which gives you everything that you would need, starts at $155 a month. So again, if you are at that threshold in terms of that premium workflow, that Loop returns and exchanges is going to be for you. I think Loop, for me, it's going to be an A tier. It's going to be an A tier app. I think returns and exchanges is a must-have for clothing brands. And the higher the volume, the higher this is going to be a problem. So yeah, I would say A. Okay, now we made it to the last one here. And this one's where like most clothing brands never really think about, but the ones that are doing real numbers, they all have this. And it's some kind of loyalty and referral app. And I think for this, we're going to go with Smile.io. Most clothing brands, they obsess over acquiring new customers. And I get it. New customers are exciting. But it's a little bit counterintuitive, right? Because it costs 5 times more to acquire a new customer than to just keep an existing one. And that's where loyalty programs can actually boost your customer retention by up to 25%. A returning customer spends more, returns less often, and actually refers to their friends. But almost nobody in the clothing space actually has a proper loyalty program set up. And that's where like Smile, it's just more than points, right? You have the point programs, but you also have VIP tiers. You have referral campaigns that work directly inside of Shopify. So a customer buys a hoodie, they get points. They refer a friend, they get points. They hit a new VIP status point, they get access to early drops. This whole ecosystem works amazing if you truly spend the time to work something out that's actually exciting for the customer. I think a lot of people fall short into just creating the point system, and that's about it. Maybe they have some couple tiers, but then they don't promise or they don't deliver right on their promises. A lot of times you hear that early access to drops, and it's really like, not really. They don't really get anything from it. But I'll tell you what, like this brand ambassador affiliate loyalty is one of the things that made Gymshark grow a cult following. It wasn't just better products. They actually had their loyalty very, very much dialed in. And I think with Smile, I'm going to give it a B tier. It's a great app. It earns its place on this list of great premium apps. But obviously, if you don't have a real customer base, it's going to be hard to, generate any movement with this app. So I don't think it's a day one install, but it's important to add as you scale your brand. Now, if you made it this far, now you have a clear picture of the exact app stack that serious clothing brands are running. But here's the thing, apps are just tools. The strategy behind how you can actually use them, it would actually drive the result. That's why we offer a free 45-minute strategy call here at Bit Branding. You can check the link in the description down below. There are over 8,000 apps in the Shopify App Store. You don't need 8,000, you need 7 good ones and the strategy to actually use them right. If this video helped you, then drop a comment, drop a like, a subscribe down below. And if you want to check out more videos around apps that we recommend, check out these videos here next.